It's Saturday, as we can see, after the storm. Only the fixed cats are here. What are you doing, baby? Come on, honey. There's her and her brother. There's the other brother. Hey, mama. I seen the orange boy out there. So, looks like they weathered the storm. Yeah, I was supposed to get some trapping today, but I cleaned them off this spot. I think that's One Eye. I wouldn't mind getting him, but it just looks like nobody's hardly coming out. There's Weedy Girl. Hey, Weedy Girl. Stop eating that. We're getting ready to make you some food. I'd still like to get him, but what are you doing? Come here, baby. What's a doing? Did her have a snowstorm? How'd you even make it, honey? Oh, here comes your brother. Look, all the fixers are around. There's the other black brother, the wild one. What are you doing, baby? What are you doing? What? See, I made him a little walk around the tree. I'm just gonna hang out a while. I think that's One Eye. His coat just looks different in the snow. Yeah, that's him. He looks browner. So, yeah, probably couldn't catch none today, but looks like everybody's kind of hungry. Look at mama. So, alright, we're out in the snow. Like I said, I scooched them off a place to eat at. And then our girl's just a Weedy Girl. Oh, baby. What are you doing? What were you doing, honey? Where was you being cold at? Two brothers, Orange Boy's out there somewhere. I expect he'll come along shortly. Alright, let me go ahead and make them some dinner. They've been cold. I was worried all night. So, I guess we'll be back to trapping next Saturday. If there's no other storms. So, look at that girl. Tell your brothers to come on. Leave her alone. Alright, Orange Boy's out there. I wish he'd come on. Alright, thanks for watching. Feeding in the snow. Everybody looks alright. There's not very many here, so I can't tell who made it and who didn't. But I guess if these ones did, I guess the rest would be fine. Alright, thanks for watching.